Ladies and gentlemen, this video guide is dedicated to help you remove fake human verification alerts associated with the website adsforcomputercity.com. Adsforcomputercity.com is a junk site that may attack Google, Chrome, and other browsers. Adsforcomputercity.com tries to mislead people and to make them click on this allow button, supposedly to help people confirm that they are humans and not robots. However, interacting with these pop-ups is extremely dangerous. If you click on allow, your browser will be hijacked with multiple advertisements that would keep attacking the screen in the right part of it. Some of these ads you can see displayed right now, and believe me, they are extremely annoying. They may distract you a lot. They prevent you from concentrating on things that are really important to you. So if the allow button was clicked, that's definitely a mistake, and it needs to be urgently fixed. Access the menu of your browser, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security option. Scroll down until you find Site Settings. Go down to Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. If you find this adsforcomputercity.com, click on this button and remove the malicious site from the list. Most likely that you will find some other junk sites causing such ads. So to fix the issue, all these junk sites also need to be deleted. Make sure you research this list carefully and remove all of them. There is a great program that I can recommend you to use to automatically neutralize all these ads and other malware. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-Ransomware Feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.